Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Asana project templates and automated rules, full guide step by step clearly. To set up project templates in Asana, start by opening your Asana workspace. Navigate to the Projects tab located on the sidebar. Click on the plus New Project button at the top of the screen. Select Use a template from the options provided. You can either choose from existing templates or create your own. To create a new template, select Custom Template. Enter a name for your new project template. Add a description if you wish, to provide context for future use. Now, configure the sections or tasks that you want included in the template. You can add tasks by clicking on the plus Add Task button. Assign due dates, assignees, and other details as needed for each task. Once your tasks are set up, you can also create recurring tasks if necessary. When your project template is complete, click on Share Template. This allows other team members to access and use the template. Now, let's move on to setting up automated rules in your Asana project. Open the project where you want to add automation. Click on the Customize button on the top right corner. Scroll down to the Rules section and click on Add Rule. Asana provides several pre-built rule options. Select one that fits your needs, or choose Create a Custom Rule. For a custom rule, define the trigger you want to activate automation. Triggers could be task completion, task assignment, or status changes. Next, determine what action will follow the trigger. Actions can include assigning tasks, adding tags, or moving tasks to different sections. After specifying your desired trigger and action, click on Create Rule. Once created, the rule will work automatically in your project. Feel free to test the automation with sample tasks to ensure it functions as expected. With your project templates and automated rules set up, you streamline your workflow. This makes it easier for your team to stay organized and efficient. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.